Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change touch sensitivity on Android screen. If you're using any Android phone and you want to increase your touch sensitivity, so let's see how can do that. You just have to open your settings, then scroll down and look for display option, and here you will easily get touch sensitivity option. Here's the description. It's increase the touch sensitivity at the screen for use with screen protectors. So when you have enabled the setting, your touch sensitivity will be increased. If you want to decrease your sensitivity, just disable that setting. So if you can't get the setting, you must have to go for search, and here just search for touch sensitivity. You will get that, just tap on it, and from here you can easily enable or disable that setting. So that's how you can easily change your touch sensitivity on Android screen. Thank you very much for watching the video, and the next video, bye bye.